Apart from brushing, flossing, and scraping your tongue every day, do you really need to visit the dentist, especially when nothing seems wrong? Let's find out why regular dental visits are of more importance than we think. Many people only visit the dental clinic when they feel pain, probably toothache or gum disease. But going to the dental clinic when something is wrong only means that the problem has gotten worse. During a routine dental checkup, your dentist is not only checking for cavities, your dentist is also checking for gum disease, early signs of gum disease, plaque and tartar that daily brushing can't remove. Your dentist is examining your bite and jaw alignment. Your dentist is screening for oral cancer and other hidden issues, and sometimes they take X-rays to detect problems below the surface. These checkups prevent small issues from becoming painful or even dangerous. So how often should you visit the dental clinic? For most people, every 6 months is recommended. Like it's recommended that they visit the dental clinic every 6 months. However, if you have gum disease, diabetes, or other health issues, your dentist may recommend more frequent visits. Think of it like a car maintenance. You don't wait for your car to break down before servicing it, right? So also is you visiting a dental clinic for a checkup. You don't have to wait for something to be wrong or for you to have pain before you visit the dental clinic. Regular dental checkups keeps your smile and your health in good condition. So yes, even when nothing feels wrong, regular dental checkups are a must for everyone. I hope that you have found this video helpful. If yes, kindly smash the like button, subscribe and share with people who will be needing this information. I'll see you in my next video, and until then, take care of yourself.